Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving through downtown Kingston and we're going to take a tour of King Street. So on the right is the Jamaica Customs Corporate Office, on the left is KFC. We just passed Wilmon Sales when the video started, a very popular furniture store in Jamaica, stationery and furniture. So we are now at the intersection with Port Royal Street and we're going across. We're staying on King Street, and on the right is the Juicy Patties, and we're now going over Harbour Street, going across Harbour Street. So this side of King Street goes across Parade, but this side is 2 lanes. You can go in either direction, but once you go the other side of King Street, it's a one-way heading towards Parade. So on the right now is this is Tower Street we're going across, and on the right is the Supreme Court of Jamaica. On the left is the Court of Appeal. And then you have the High Court, and Gun Court is the one on the right there now. And then over here we're passing over, I think this is Barry Street, and on the left is Kemlani Mart. Now this side, the whole Parade area is a very busy shopping area, a lot of food places, a lot of very popular stores. The reason why it's so popular is this is where you find another bus park in downtown Kingston. So a lot of activity happens here. Today is a Sunday, so the place isn't that busy, but during the week, very busy area. There's Island Grill on the left, Amar's on the right, Kingston Bookshop. And Kingston Bookshop has numerous locations down in downtown Kingston. There is Sangsters, Circle K. Sangsters also has a few locations down here. I think they actually have 2 on King Street. So this is the Parade area now. That's the George William Gordon Park. That's one of the national heroes of Jamaica, and Gordon House is actually named after him as well. Alright, so we're going to take a tour around Parade now. So you have North Parade, East Parade, West Parade, South Parade, depending on what side of Parade you are. So this is South Parade that we're on, because we're on the south side of the park. As you can see, there's the Burger King straight ahead. Very busy area. There's a market on the left, that's West Queen Street. So Queen Street runs on both sides of the park as well, or both sides of Parade, as does King Street. If we were to go straight there, we'd go onto Orange Street, but we're going to take a tour around here. So you see all the buses. It's a major transportation hub, the Parade area. And this is a Sunday, so can you imagine during the week? So on the left now is King Street, and that side of King Street is a one-way heading towards the park. So we can't turn left there. So this is the parade area. So we turn left here, we're going East Queen Street. And we're now on East Parade because remember it's North Parade, South Parade, East Parade, West Parade. So we're on East Parade. If we were to turn right on this road, we'd go on to West Parade. We're going to go back on this road. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.